Hello students, in the last videos we have discussed about the antibiotic chapter. Now we will discuss about the sulfonamides. Sulfonamides are also an antibacterial drug. Now we will discuss the description of the sulfonamides. It is one of the oldest antibacterial agents used to the combat infection. It is also used for the coccal infection in the year of the 1935. They are bacteriostatic. Bacteriostatic means it inhibit the growth of the microorganisms. Bacterio means bacteria. Static means inhibit the growth of the microorganisms. Because it inhibit the bacterial synthesis of the folic acid, clinical usefulness has decreased because of the effectiveness of the other antibiotics and the penicillin. Most of the time in the bacterial infections, antibiotic and the penicillins are used. Now we will discuss the antimicrobial activity. Sulfonamides have wide range of the antimicrobial activity. It is also used for the gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria, Nocardia, Chlamydia, Trachomatis, etc. It is also used for the enteric bacteria and it is less effective in the enteric bacteria. Sulfonamide exerts only the bacteriostatic effect. Before discussing about the sulfonamide, first of all we discuss about the prontocells. Building on Ehrlich's early work, Gerhard Domack, a medical doctor employed by a German dye manufacturer, made a breakthrough discovery by finding that a dye, now as a prontocell, dosed orally, was effective in curing life-threatening streptococci infection in the human. He made the discovery in the desperate but successful attempt to save his daughter who was dying of the streptococci infection. So, prontocell was used in the streptococci infection. When the prontocell are metabolized in the in vivo form, then it is converted into the sulfonamide derivatives. Journal bacteriologist and the pathologist who was awarded the 1939 Nobel Prize for the Physiology or the Medicine for his discovery that was announced in the year of the 1932 of the antibacterial effect of the prontocell, the first of the sulfonamide drugs. So prontocell is the first drug of the sulfonamide drugs. Sulfonamides are those drugs which have the sulfa groups. So it is called as the sulfonamide drugs. Now we will discuss the presence of the free amino group which are present into the sulfonamide derivatives that have due to the presence of the free amino group that gives the antibacterial action. Brotocell red is used as a prodrug. In vitro form, sulfonamide inactive form. In vivo, it is a active form. Prontocell, when metabolic cleavage, it is converted into the sulfonamide. Now we will discuss about the chemistry of the sulfonamides. First of all, it was recognized since 1932, but it was clinical uses since 1935. It is the basic structure of the sulfonamides. First compound found to be effective antibacterial agent in the safe dose ranges. Chemically, it is a molecule containing the sulfamido. Examples are the sulfanilamide SO2NH2 group, functional group attached to an aniline group. Structurally related to the para-amino benzoic acid, that is also called as PABA. Full form of the PABA is the para-amino benzoic acid. PABA and sulfonamide has the similar structures. This group is also present in the non-antibacterial compounds like sulfonylurea, benzothiazides, furosemide, acetazolamide. These drugs are also useful as a diuretics. Diuretics are those drugs which increase the output of the urine. They act as antibacterial agents by inhibit the bacterial growth and the activity and the commonly called as sulfa drugs. These are the chemistry of the sulfonamides. In the left hand side, sulfanilamide and the para-amino benzoic acid, two structure are given that is similar the structure PABA and the sulfonamides. Examples of the sulfonamides derivatives are the sulfadiazine, sulfasoxazole, sulfamethoxazole, sulfathalazine. These are the derivatives of the sulfonamides. Now we will discuss about the mechanism of the sulfonamides. Sulfonamides molecular structure is similar to the para-amino benzoic acid. As we have discussed, sulfonamide structure is similar to the PABA, which is needed in the bacteria organism as a substrate of the enzyme dihydropteroate synthetase for the synthesis of the tetrahydrofolic acid, that is also called as THF. Folic acid synthesis from the PABA, piperidine and the glutamate. All sulfonamides are the analogues of the PABA. All sulfur drugs are the bacteriostatic. This is the mechanism of the sulfonamides. In the short form, we have discussed about the mechanism of the action. Actually, structure of the para-amino benzoic acid and sulfonamide is same, almost same. PABA is converted into the folic acid, and folic acid in the presence of the dihydropteroate synthetase enzyme. So when the PABA is converted into the folic acid in the presence of the dihydropteroate synthetase enzyme, then folic acid is helpful into the microorganism development. When to the folic acid, then microorganism development is developed. When dihydropteroate synthetase enzyme is inhibited by the sulfonamide, then PABA is not converted into the folic acid. PABA is not converted into the folic acid, so microorganism development is stopped. Prevent normal bacterial utilization of the PABA for the synthesis of the folic acid. So this is the mechanism of action of the sulfonamides. This is the structure similarity of the PABA and the sulfanilamide. Almost all the values are same of the PABA and the sulfanilamide. Now we are discussing about the SAR of the sulfonamides. First of all, the amino and the sulfonyl group on the benzene ring are essential, and it should be in the 1 and 4th position. The positions are mentioned here, and sulfonyl group is necessary for the activity of the antibacterial. Replacement of the aromatic ring by the ring system, or the introduction of the additional substituents, or it decrease the abolish the activity. If the aromatic ring is replaced by the other ring, so activity of the sulfonamide is decreased. Exchange of the SO2NH group by the CONH reduce the activity. Substitution of the aromatic heterocyclic nuclei N1 yield higher potent compound. N1 di substitution in general lead to it is inactive form. So it is a SAR of the sulfonamides. You can say about the sulfonamides SAR in this form. It is divided into the 4 parts. In the first part, the free aromatic amino group should be residue para to the sulfonamide group. So aromatic amino group should be at the para position for the antibacterial activity. Substitution at this position, at second position, result in devoid of the antibacterial activity. So at the third position, substitution at this position result into the devoid of the activity. Any substitution at this position, activity of the sulfonamide decreased. Substitution at this position, at the position of the 4th, active varies with the nature of the substitution. It electron donating substituent to the SO2 leads to increase in the antibacterial activity. Then heterocyclic substitution lead to the highly potent derivatives. Substitution of the free sulfonic acid group for the sulfonamide function destroy the activity. If it is substitute with the sulfonic acid, then it is decrease the activity of sulfonamide. Replacement by the sulfenic acid group and acylation of N1 position retain activity. Sulfur atom should be directly linked to the benzene ring. So sulfur should be directly attached with the benzene ring for the activity of the sulfonamides. Thank you, students. In the next video, we will discuss about the classification of the sulfonamides.